What is going on, you guys? You got Mike here from Mike's Money Tips coming at you today with a video about how to make some money online. I'm going to give you my top 5 favorite survey sites that will pay in PayPal or Amazon gift cards or something else to where you can collect your money. And it's not just surveys that you can do on these sites, you can do other things as well. Some of them are just surveys, but some of them you can do other things. But here again, you're going to be trading time for money. If y'all want something more passive, check out the first link in the description. It's my number one method on making a passive income from now till the end of time, probably. And you never know, something might change, but right now it's what I've been doing for a while, and it's a beautiful thing. And I'll be sure to leave a link to all these websites in the description below. They may be affiliate links. I'm not sure. But if y'all want to check them out, check them out. If not, that's cool too. So without further ado, let's get started. Here we got Bendale Research, where you get paid, take surveys online, and that's basically all they do. They pay in PayPal. They're easy surveys. This website's been around for let's see, how long has this? Anyway, it's one of the oldest ones I know. I'm looking here on my phone as well as recording my screen on the computer, and I'm not seeing age on it. But anyway, you get paid to take surveys here, share demographic information. It's, trust me, these people are not selling your information at all. I promise you, none of these are. Okay? All they need to know is, like where you live, what type of cars or possibly what type of cars, but your phone, your internet, computer type, whether you're running a Mac or a PC or iPhone or Android or, they need to know what you're using. That way they know what type of survey to send you. It's not rocket science, it's just simple things that all these sites are going to need. Because if not, they don't know what survey to send you. How old you are, your age, your race, your sex. I mean, they even need to know whether you're male, female, transgender, whatever. They need to know how you identify. Because without it, they'll never know. As you see, they've paid out almost $8 million, just doing surveys. As you see, they have surveys on about everything. Cars, trucks, politics, sports, new technology, travel, leisure, health and beauty. Pretty much whatever you want to do. I mean, getting paid simple. One, quick payment to PayPal. There are no processing fees, which is a beautiful thing. Ways to earn. You got referral programs, photos, paid studies, reward codes, reward mail, which them are like emails that they send to you. Say, yeah, I got them. It's super simple on how to do all this. It really is. And, as you see, everything SSL encrypted, personal information protected, no required information, cancel account, sports you can count on. As like I said, I'm going to leave links to all these below where y'all can check out everything, even down here at the bottom, it shows right here, cancel your membership. Well, that was number one. Let's go to number 2 here. We're going to go to Survey Junction. And, it's basically the same thing. It's nothing, none of these are rocket science on what they are. They are all survey sites or cashback sites or, whatever. What's the word I'm looking for? basically same thing. Just it's a way to make extra money, giving your opinion. There we go, opinion sites. Here you go. You take surveys, earn rewards, get paid, and you see it's PayPal or gift cards. Simple. They are completely encrypted as well. I promise you that. And here you can see you can get Amazon gift card, Target gift cards, PayPal. And basically what you're doing here, you're doing surveys for online research so people know, big business like Coke or Pepsi or, whoever the survey is for will know, say I'm doing a review on this or survey on this. They may ask you, do you like the login button? It may be that simple. Do you like how you can join? I mean, you click on it. Look, you can sign up with Facebook or Google or type in your email account. Super simple. It's, maybe you don't like the color. Tell them. They want to know this. So number 3 will be prize ribbon. Here again, sign up with Facebook. Super simple. Ain't it amazing what all you can just sign in with Facebook with? I mean, Facebook's got everything, I think. I swear they do. But, sign up in 10 seconds, make money online, complete paid online surveys, earn cash, redeem points for cash and gift cards. And you see who all you can get gift cards from: eBay, iTunes, Visa. Which Visa's straight up money. I mean, seriously. And this place has been around for 9 years. I don't think it's going anywhere no time soon. And this place, or this one right here, pays every 24 hours, so you don't have to wait weeks on end to get paid, as long as you've got enough points to cash out. Here you can see their rewards. It's, and they offer daily challenges, raffles, and Facebook giveaways, and really encourage you to lock up points. As you see, $2 Amazon gift card, $5. Oh, Canadian Amazon. So, UK Amazon. So you see they're Australian. As you see, it's not just, so they do have stuff worldwide. It's not just America, it is other things here, and all you gotta do is sign up and do your thing. Number 2 or number 4, whatever you want to say. This is next to my top one. This is Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a survey site, a cashback site, and do something else too. Hold on. But as you can see, they've paid almost $500 million. That's a billion with a B dollars. 415 million. So, they give out 7,000 gift cards a day. And you can get coupon codes for just about every store under the sun. I mean, for real people. They do everybody, I swear they do. And, they do more than just surveys. I know they do cash back for, stuff that you buy. Paid online, for cash back and shopping. I thought they did something else, but maybe that's it. But yeah, and they've been around a long time too, so, whenever you sign up, then if you click sign up, you can sign up on Facebook here too, so it's like super quick, super easy, and you get $10 just for signing up. I mean, it's not hard at all. I mean, it's just super easy and easy to do. But the last one I've got for you is, of course, embossed dollars. It's probably the biggest one ever. As you see, you earn 50 cents for the survey. You can earn 25 cents for that one. That one's a quarter. Sign up for Stash, you earn $40. Not to mention, I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think Stash gives you 2 free stocks too. It's either Stash or another one. I don't remember. I think it was Stash though. But you know, just like this right here, and which TV show did Mr. Hall on a place called the Boar's Nest? And all you gotta do is, you know, answer the question, which is the Dukes of Hazzard, and you answer it. I mean, that's some of the things that are on this thing. I mean, it's super simple. And some of the stuff's kind of fun to do. That's another reason why I kind of do this stuff. It's nothing hard, nothing difficult at all. You know, it's like I said, if I was y'all, I'd check it out, make a few bucks, take that money and invest into something else that's a lot more lucrative than this. I mean, this is not a way you're ever going to get rich, okay? It is a way to make some extra money to put into something else to make more money. This is not a way to get rich. Like I said, check out the first link in the description. It's my #1 way to passive income, where you can make between $100 to $200 a day relatively easily. There's guys making over $1 million a year with this program. So, you know, like I said, check it out, see if it's for you. If not, no harm, no foul. I mean, till tomorrow, or till the next one. Later.